First, power on your Xumo box and ensure it's connected to your TV. Navigate to the Settings menu from the home screen. From there, select Network, then Wi-Fi. You should see the currently connected network. Select the option to Forget Network to clear the existing Wi-Fi credentials. This is crucial to prevent automatic reconnection to the old network. The Xumo box will then scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Choose your new network from the list. After selecting the new network, you'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Ensure you enter the password correctly, paying attention to upper and lowercase letters. The Xumo box supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, as well as WPA23 security protocols. Once the password is entered, confirm the connection. If the connection fails, first restart your Xumo box and your router. Double-check the Wi-Fi password. If problems persist, consider using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection. If you are still experiencing issues, try using the Xumo mobile app available on iOS and Android to connect the box to Wi-Fi without the need to use a TV or monitor.